While the world's biggest companies were loudly battling for attention, rushing out announcements and hyping up their next electric vehicle, there was a curious silence coming from Hyundai. No teasers, no leaks, no headlines. Just silence. But behind those closed doors, something incredible was taking shape. A quiet group of engineers was working on a technology so advanced, it wouldn't just change Hyundai's future, it would shake the entire electric vehicle industry to its core. And now, that silence has finally broken. Hyundai has unveiled a breakthrough that's more than just a battery upgrade. It's a seismic shift. Their new solid-state battery doesn't just outperform current lithium-ion tech, it leaves it looking outdated. From raw power to lightning-fast charging and unmatched safety, this innovation pushes the boundaries of what's possible. The EV world will never be the same again. So buckle up, because what you're about to see will surprise you. Let's dive in, but before we explore Hyundai's game-changing technology, make sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates from this EV revolution. The humble beginnings of a giant Hyundai wasn't always a major global player. The story began in 1967 when Chung Ju-young founded the company in South Korea. Back then, Hyundai focused on small construction and engineering projects. Cars weren't even on the radar. But that changed in 1975 with the launch of the Hyundai Pony. It wasn't flashy, but it was affordable and reliable, just what people needed. That one car laid the foundation for Hyundai's future. By the 1990s, Hyundai had gone global, reaching the US, Europe, and India. Their mission remained the same: deliver quality cars at affordable prices. And over time, Hyundai didn't just improve, they evolved. Today, Hyundai isn't just an economical choice. It's known for sleek designs, cutting-edge tech, and premium features. And now, as the world pivots to electric vehicles, Hyundai is stepping up once again. With bold moves like the Ioniq series and this revolutionary solid-state battery. A company once known for basic cars is now going head-to-head with giants like Tesla. And this is only the beginning. The silent revolution. While other automakers stuck to conventional battery formulas, Hyundai quietly worked on something radical. A solid-state battery that's set to redefine the future of EVs. In this new era, innovation matters more than speed, and Hyundai is proving it. This isn't just an upgrade, this new battery is a game-changer. Where lithium-ion batteries have limits, range, safety, charging time, Hyundai's technology smashes through them. Its greatest strength: energy density. It stores more energy in less space, meaning EVs can go farther on a single charge. For many drivers, range anxiety is the biggest barrier to switching to electric. But Hyundai's battery offers up to 50% more range, making frequent charging a thing of the past. And speaking of charging, this battery is incredibly fast. While traditional batteries take hours to charge, Hyundai's solid-state battery can power up in just minutes. Picture this. By the time you finish your coffee, your car is fully charged. It's not just a technological shift, it's a lifestyle upgrade. It's also much safer. Lithium-ion batteries carry the risk of overheating or catching fire. Solid-state batteries replace the flammable liquid with a stable, non-combustible solid electrolyte. The result? A battery that's cooler, safer, and more durable. And let's not forget longevity. Solid-state batteries maintain their performance over years of use, reducing the need for replacements and slashing long-term costs. Better yet, they perform reliably even in extreme cold, where conventional batteries often fail. No matter the weather, Hyundai's battery keeps your EV running smoothly. What is a solid-state battery? In simple terms, solid-state batteries are the next evolution of battery tech. Instead of using a liquid or gel electrolyte like traditional lithium-ion batteries, they use a solid one. Every battery has three parts: an anode, a cathode, and an electrolyte. The electrolyte helps ions move between the anode and cathode, generating electricity. In solid-state batteries, this pathway is not liquid but solid, making it safer, faster, and more efficient. Because there's no flammable liquid inside, the risks of leaks, fires, or explosions are dramatically reduced. These batteries can also run at higher voltages and energy densities, meaning they're smaller, lighter, and more powerful. When these batteries become mainstream, they'll mark the end of an era and the beginning of a new one. The long journey of battery evolution. The history of batteries is the story of humanity's quest to control and carry energy. It began in 1800 when Italian scientist Alessandro Volta built the voltaic pile, the world's first real battery. It was crude but groundbreaking. Then came better versions. Humphrey Davy, John Daniell, and others refined the idea. In 1836, Daniell's battery could deliver a constant current, and in 1866, the dry cell made portable energy accessible to everyday people. This brought us flashlights, radios, watches, and more. In 1859, Gaston Planté created the rechargeable lead-acid battery, which powered cars for decades. And in the 1950s, Louis Uri introduced the alkaline battery, which revolutionized household gadgets. But the real game-changer came in the 1980s with lithium-ion batteries, developed by scientists like John Goodenough and Akira Yoshino. These were lightweight, rechargeable, and energy-dense. They became the backbone of smartphones, laptops, and eventually EVs. By the 2000s, companies like Tesla and Nissan were building EVs powered by lithium-ion batteries, ushering in a new era of transportation. Today, the focus is on speed and sustainability. New battery chemistries like LFP and NMC have improved safety and cost. And now, the race is on for technologies like graphene and solid-state batteries, which promise extreme speed and range. Hyundai's environmental impact. Hyundai's solid-state battery isn't just a tech innovation, it's a lifeline for the planet. These batteries are compact, efficient, and require fewer charges, reducing energy consumption. And if the charging is done through renewables like solar or wind, the environmental impact is even lower. More range, less charging, and a significantly reduced carbon footprint. Plus, they eliminate the safety risks of conventional batteries. No overheating, no leaks, no fires, and because they last longer, they also generate less electronic waste. Sustainability and resource efficiency. Traditional lithium-ion batteries depend on rare and ethically problematic materials like cobalt and nickel. These are expensive, limited, and harmful to mine, often involving human rights abuses and environmental destruction. Hyundai's solid-state batteries can reduce or eliminate reliance on these metals. They use more sustainable and widely available materials, making them easier to recycle and less damaging to produce. The solid-state design is also simpler, which makes recycling far easier and cleaner. In the future, we may even be able to recycle most components and close the loop on battery production. Economic benefits and a new era. Hyundai's breakthrough isn't just good for the environment, it's also great for the economy. Faster charging and longer range mean lower electricity bills and reduced maintenance. These batteries can also store renewable energy in homes and factories, making energy use more efficient and cost-effective.